Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You're going to start inside Power Options because most auto-sleep problems live there. First, open Control Panel or Settings and go to Power and Sleep. Change the active plan and set sleep to never for both battery and plugged in so you can observe without interruptions. Once done, click Change Advanced Power Settings to keep this window ready. This gives you immediate access to deeper controls like USB and PCI Express behavior that often cause unexpected power saving. Next, dig into Advanced Settings because that's where specific devices are put to sleep. Expand Sleep, USB, PCI Express, and Display. Disable USB Selective Suspend and set PCI Express Link State Power Management to off to prevent hardware sleep. Also allow wake timers so scheduled tasks can wake the PC for maintenance. Make display and disk timeouts longer while testing to isolate which component triggers power save. These changes control how and when components drop to low power. To finish, update chipset, graphics, and network drivers and review BIOS or UEFI power settings because firmware can override Windows. In Device Manager, allow the computer to turn off this device to save power for your NIC, keyboard, and mouse. Reboot and test. If it still enters power save, make sure wake timers and scheduled tasks aren't forcing sleep, and run a malware scan. If nothing works, create a restore point and roll back recent updates as a final troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.